Did you know that one of the top Code of Ethics violations is from Article 12, advertising? Megan, can you remind us about Article 12?
Yes, Article 12 from the Code of Ethics states that realtors should be honest and truthful in their real estate communications and shall present a true picture in their advertising, marketing, and other representations. Frank, as a realtor, do you have any examples of any violations that you have seen in the real estate market?
Yes, I've received numerous postcards in the mail with listings shown as sold, but were not actually sold by the advertising realtor or broker. As Article 12 and Standard of Practice 12-7 clearly states, only realtors who participate in a transaction as the listing or cooperating broker may claim to have sold that property. Unless it is clearly noted that the properties are from a published list of MLS listings and not necessarily sold by that realtor, this is a violation of the Code of Ethics. It's also a violation of MLS Rule 12.7, which is an automatic citation and fine.
If you have any questions about possible violations or would like to report a violation, please do so online by visiting www.bayeast.org/professional-standards-support.